Hi. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the basics of how to use a smartboard, and in particular the Smart Notebook software. And right now Smart Tech is in version number 11, and so you want to make sure you download the latest version. I'll make sure to include a link to it with the video on YouTube that I send you, okay, where you can download the software. Okay, it'll be right below the video. All right, so let's get to know the lay of the land here with the tools. So this is your main screen here where everything happens. Um, and so you're going to want to know how these different tabs and creating new pages. So if you want to add new slides or pages here, you just hit the plus button. If there's any one that you want to get rid of, you hit the red X button here. That gets rid of a page. This is your undo buttons, okay, or redo. This goes back, slides you back or forward to each of the slides on your page, all right? So let's go ahead and add some stuff. So in a regular board, you have to basically know the basics of how to write on the board. So that's what we do at a regular board if we had a blackboard or a whiteboard. So when you click on your pen tool here, you notice that another menu sort of expands here. And so if it's on the regular pen tool here, you notice all the different colors you have here. So I'm just going to squiggle around here so you can see the different colors that are available to you and designs, and you could always pick your own colors and there's a more color thing here that you can choose, and there's also a line tool here where you can pick your own different line style. I'm not going to go through all these. You can play around with this yourself when you download it. And also there's a transparency tool. Okay, so if I were to select, I think, one of these and then go to transparency, you can see that I can make it go invisible, but it's actually still there, right? And I can pick up the transparency. So this is how you make things visible and visible again, by picking up the transparency, or alpha is what the technical term is called, changing the alpha. Okay. All right, so that's that. So that's slide one, is just basic writing tools here. Let's take a look at some other pens. So in the full version there's actually a calligraphic pen, but we don't have access to it in this version. But you can see you have a crayon tool, and you can see the different colors you get. It changes here, and this is what the crayon tool looks like. Okay, let's take some different colors. So it's pretty cool. You can play around. Okay, let's take a look at a different pen tool. There's a highlighter, and that does exactly what you would normally think it does, just highlights certain things. Okay, right over that there's some different colors you can choose from. The creative pen is pretty cool too. Kids love this one. This has been around for a while. The different upgrades on here. So I'm just playing around here just to show you the different tool here. Okay, so this is using the pen tool. So this is the first video. In the upcoming video, I'm going to continue on the pen tools, but I want to show you how to use the magic pen and the shape recognition pen. So those are pretty interesting. So I'm going to stop this recording here and start off with that in the next video. Okay? See you in a bit.